Data engineer versus data analyst versus data scientist. What is the difference? Data engineer, data analyst, and data scientist are three of the most in-demand roles in technology. But many people confuse them. Here is a clear breakdown. A data engineer builds the infrastructure that makes data usable. They design pipelines, manage databases, and ensure that data flows reliably from source to destination. Their tools include SQL, Python, Apache Spark, Kafka, and cloud platforms. Think of them as the builders who lay the pipes. A data analyst works with the data once it is ready. They clean, explore, and visualize data to answer business questions. Their tools include SQL, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and Python. Think of them as the people who read what comes through the pipes. A data scientist goes further. They use statistical modeling and machine learning to build predictive models and uncover insights that are not obvious. Their tools include Python, R, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and Jupyter Notebooks. Think of them as the people who predict what will come through the pipes in the future. Which role is right for you? If you love building systems, choose data engineering. If you love interpreting data to tell stories, choose data analytics. If you love mathematics, statistics, and machine learning, choose data science. All three are excellent career choices. The best one is the one that matches your strengths.